Hey Pete, today we're going to learn about how to properly make Mirepoix, which is French, stands for the Holy Trinity. And the idea behind Mirepoix is it's a basic set of 3 ingredients that comprise the foundation for a lot of soups, and frankly for a lot of other cooking as well. Mirepoix is comprised of an onion, or multiple onions, carrots, and celery. So we're going to learn how to actually cut these up and prepare them for Mirepoix, and I've already started the carrots here, but we're going to just do the rest of it. The tools you're going to need to do this are a basic chef's knife. This is a chef's knife that has a rocking edge, which makes it a little easier to use. And we're also going to learn how to use the mandolin, and the mandolin is a slicing tool that helps you slice things a little faster that we're going to use with the onion. So let's just go ahead and get started. The technique for cutting a carrot. This is the basic carrot. You take your knife and you slit the carrot right down the middle, just like that. And then you turn it 1/4 and you slit it again. So now you've got a carrot that's sliced 4 ways. And all that does is it speeds up the process. And now we just go ahead and chop it, just using downward motion. Keep your fingers out of the way. And as you can see, that makes pretty fast work of the carrot. Not a whole lot to it. And when it's done, you end up with a processed carrot. And you can take that and put it into your bowl. The next thing we're going to do is this celery. Celery is a delicious watery vegetable that I know that we've all eaten. And when you cut it off the stalk, kind of leave that bottom part on, because you don't really want any piece of the root. The stalk part's not really edible. And you just go ahead and just cut off a few pieces. And I think that's going to be enough for now. Depending on your preparation, you may or may not want to break this down anymore. Sometimes you might want smaller pieces of celery. But for soup, I kind of like celery to be a little chunkier. So you just go ahead and hold them together and just slice away. This is about 3/4 of an inch. And same technique as the carrot. Keep your fingers out of the way. And there you go. And that's processed. So that's ready to go into our bowl. We're ready for action. Now the last thing we're going to do, Pete, is we're going to process this onion. Now you can process the onion with a knife like everybody else. That's not a problem. Or you can use this little handy machine, which is known as a mandolin. And a mandolin basically is a slicing blade, a surface, and you can adjust the height of the blade. And it also has these little teeth that allow you to do more of a refined dicing. So you can see those teeth there. And I like to use those teeth because it actually helps break the onion down into smaller, manageable pieces. So I've lowered the blade, so now we can see our blade and our teeth together, ready to go. Take the onion. First thing I like to do is cut off the ends. That's really good for nothing. The ends are off. Now we've got the top and the bottom removed, but there's still this peel, and that onion peel, we don't want that outer layer. So we take our knife and we just slightly score the onion like this, similar to the way that you probably have cut fruit in the past. And then you just reach in, you just grab that top layer and just take it off. Just peel it right off. Now you're left with an onion that's ready to be put through the mandolin. So the next step is to cut the onion in half. So you have 2 halves. And I'm gonna go for the smaller, slightly less deep cut. And there's these teeth here that you just stick the onion onto like that. So now it's ready to slide. And you just simply drag it right across the surface relatively quickly, while also simultaneously pressing down. And what that does is it just takes the onion and sends it through those 2 blade patterns. And when you're done, you're left with a couple of onion tops that you can just throw out. And below there is all of our processed onion. That's ready to go. And it doesn't really need to be broken down any farther than that. So at that point, you add it to your bowl. And mix it up. And this is Mirepoix. This is the basic building block for a lot of soups. Today it's going to be chicken noodle soup. And this is ready now to go to the next step, which would be the cooking preparation or the saute preparation. So I hope you learned something about how to use a knife and how to process carrots, onions, and celery.